said he's gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get those stakes up higher. There's 1,000 pretty women waiting out there. They're all living the devil may care, and I'm just a devil with love to spare. So viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas. How I wish that there were more than 24 hours in the day. Even if there were 40 more, I wouldn't sleep a minute away. Oh, there's blackjack and poker and the roulette wheel, a fortune won and lost on every deal. All you need is a strong heart and a nerve of steel. Viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas with your neon flashing and your one-armed bandits crashing. All those hopes down the drain. Viva Las Vegas, turning day into nighttime, turning night into daytime. If you see it once, you'll never be the same again. I'm gonna keep on the run, I'm gonna have me some fun. It cost me my very last dime. If I wind up broke, well, I'll always remember that I had a swing in time. I'm gonna give it everything I've got. Lady luck, please let the dice stay hot. Let me shoot a 7 with every shot. Viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas, viva, viva Las Vegas.
Sometime after sunset, he is on his hands and knees. He is searching for his keys at a small Vietnamese place on East 11th Street. His daughters both at once say, "Can we just get going, please?" As his wife begins to sneeze and his son is throwing peas and eating with his feet. He's an action hero and he should be fighting crime, leaping between the buildings and racing against time. He's an action hero, he's an action hero. In his mind, in his mind, He drops by Mount Sinai where they're running through some tests, and they've taped things to his chest, and they're all doing their best to make him feel at ease. The doctor says it's really just an educated guess. I suggest you get some rest. Try to cut back on the stress, 'cause I don't like what I see. But the action hero swears he feels just fine. He's got to finish saving the world for all mankind. He's an action hero, he's an action hero. And he's ready.
Por favor, abre usted un...
¿Quién demonios es Susana? ¿Qué hace esta tía en mi Facebook? A qué mala hora, yo estaba hablando con Juan y la agregué y le dije que sí. Te borro del Facebook, Yola, te borro del Facebook, la y Lola y Lola. No me gusta tu muro, tu foto, tus falsos amigos, ni tus comentarios. Te borro del Facebook, te borro del Facebook, lailo, lailo, la. No me gustan tus falsos amigos, tu muro, tu foto, ni tus comentarios.
Love is a verb. Love is a doing word. Fearless on my breath. Gentle impulsion shakes me, makes me lighter. Fearless on my breath. Teardrop on the fire. Fearless on my breath.
So at my show on Monday, I was hoping someday you'd be on your way to better things. It's not about your makeup or how you try to shape up to these tiresome paper dreams. Paper dreams, honey. So now you pour your heart out, you're telling me you're far out, not about to lie down for your cause. But you don't pull my strings, cause I'm a better man, moving on to better things. I love her because she moves in her own way. She came to my show to hear about my day. And at a show on Tuesday, she was in her mindset, tempered furs and spangled boots. Looks are deceiving, make me believe it, and these tiresome paper dreams. Paper dreams, honey, yeah. So won't you go far, tell them you're a keeper, not about to lie down for your cause. And you don't pull my strings, cause I'm a better man, moving on to better things. But I love her because she moves in her own way.